If you would like to send out an announcement to all of your students and to their families, or just students or just families, you can do so using their send announcement feature. So we're going to go ahead in Seesaw and click on the add button. When you click on add, you see three different options. You have post student work, assign activity, send announcement. When we click on send announcement, you're going to see a drop down at the top where you can choose who you want to contact. Do you want to contact all of your students? Do you want to contact just the family members, or do you want to contact everybody? So you select who you're going to be sending this announcement to, and then you're going to, in the announcement box, put in whatever your announcement is. And after putting in your announcement, if you wish, you can also add an attachment to your message. You could include a photo, a drawing, a video recording of yourself, a link, a note, or you could upload a file from your computer. If you're not going to attach anything, all you need to do is click Send Now. So now this message has gone out to all of the students, and they will be able to see it when they log into Seesaw or the app and they look at their inbox. If a student or family member replies to you, all of those replies will show up here in your inbox, and you will get a little red indicator indicating that there is a message that you have not seen yet. So sending announcements out is a really simple, easy way to keep in contact with all of your students and their families.